Aquila the Queen.
Oh, how do you do? Look, the skins look cute.
What can you do?
The skins look cute. Sheep.
I'm quick at quilting.
I do it all night.
I have a quirk.
That people don't like.
I like to quarrel.
I'm giving 12 eyes.
Turn it again.
No, you didn't read it.
There's nothing on that page. It's on the next page. I met a wizard all dressed in black. He changed me quickly, and now...
I just quack.
Good job.
The end. I'm going to put this back in my book bag, okay?